Okay, guys, I'm going to do a very brief tutorial of GoBoard. I know that I've sent you guys a video of our training earlier, but I figured I would just do a smaller training right now of how to access GoBoard and just a very quick rundown of how to get on GoBoard. So if you missed the meeting this morning, still watch our team training. I answered a lot of questions on there, but the main couple of things that you need to know is basically GoBoard is going to be our model that we're going to use to conduct tutor appointments. So I told our team this morning that if they have technical difficulties, that is going to happen. And so Emily and I are here to troubleshoot those concerns with you. And so we're just going to approach those how they come. But I want to focus on GoBoard with you guys. And then if you have questions later, from watching the video, I'm happy to answer that. So I'm actually going to go into presenter mode to show you guys how to access GoBoard. It is very, very easy. So once your student schedules an appointment with you, the best model is to basically reach out to them, let them know that you will be using GoBoard to communicate with them. And if they do not want to do GoBoard, then you can explore a model that works best with them. So maybe that's Skype or Zoom or Google Meets, which is what I'm using right now. Or, of course, if you just want to answer questions on an email. But I'm showing you GoBoard, so here we go. So I'm actually going to go into presenter mode. So I'm going to present my screen to you guys right now. So I'm actually going over to GoBoard right now. So what you're going to want to do is simply type in goboard.com, and here you're going to do create a new GoBoard, and it's going to load your GoBoard. And so if you can, go ahead and enable your camera and microphone so that your student can see you and also talk to you. And so you'll see here you can invite your student to join you. So this is where you're going to get the link. So you can invite them by email, or you can copy the link and send that to them ahead of time. So I'm going to be the only one that's in there today. If you want to see how it looks with another person, then I would encourage you to watch the other video. But I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go ahead and enter the room. So you can see here, this is GoBoard. What will happen is when someone else is with you during the chat, you'll see them over here. So you can see we have a couple of different tabs here. We have the video, the microphone, and then we have our chat, and then we have screen sharing. So I'm going to show you screen sharing first. So you'll be able to do this, and your student will be able to do this as well. So I'm going to click this button here. I'm going to go here and share. And so from here, your student will be able to see what exactly is on your screen. So if you wanted to log into Coursden, you can do it that way. Log into your Coursden, show them whatever materials you want to use, but this is how you'll screen share. So if you need to look up, the quadratic formula, I'm just throwing things out there, you can do that as well, and then share that with them on the screen. I'm going to take it off screen sharing, so I'm just going to click that button again that I clicked earlier and go off of it. And so I'm still on here, and oh, there goes my camera. Okay, sorry, I went blank there for a minute. And then you can also do your basic tools. So if you click on basic tools, you've got a laser, a shape. You can draw a shape. You can write text in, select, clear, all of that. It's just a lot of different options on here. You can also use more tools. This is probably the most helpful. So you can use a calculator if you need to import a file, or maybe you want to save what you did on the board. You can actually export the board as a PDF. So I'm going to go back to more tools again. There's a text chat over here, but you can also open the text chat right here and communicate with your student. Obviously, I'm not talking to anyone, But if I was, then I would be able to talk over here on the chat. And then just a couple, it's kind of sectioned off. So you have your math section, your chemistry section, physics, business, whatever you need to do. So I would encourage you guys, you can literally go onto GoBoard and access this and just kind of explore everything on here. But it's really an awesome tool here because it's compared to like Zoom or Skype, it's pretty quick to just shoot out a link and send it over to the student. You can also use the pen to write different things, change it up, whatever you need to do. So you see I'm getting rid of that. And it's just a pretty intuitive board. This is an option for you. And sorry, I'm looking for my mouse. I don't know where it went. There we go. Okay. So anyway, this is what we're doing is GoBoard. So this is just a very brief tutorial on it, but I would encourage you to come on here and check it out. So I'm actually going to get out of GoBoard now and come back and present to you guys. But that is a very brief, quick tutorial of GoBoard. I would really encourage you guys to very much go on there, play around with it. I'll be setting up times where if you want to test it with me, we can definitely do that together. So we're in this together, and I'm happy to help you. I know that this is something new, but this is a quick GoBoard training. Let me know what questions you have after watching the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.